Okay, so repeat that real quick. You said you'll suck what?
Well, you're gay, bro. You're gay. What? So this kid's gay.
No. See, you Adrian, you heard that too, right?
I heard it.
What? See, like what?
This kid is
fool is
suspect.
gay.
Somebody come
This
get.
fool is gay.
Whose man's is this?
Like Kai, you heard it too, right? He definitely said, "I'll suck your," and then he stopped himself